Hi, we are looking at the question number 19 of equilibrium of IB diploma HL. So we have been given this reaction as per the Haber's process for production of ammonia. And as we know, this is the exothermic reaction. So let's look into some of this one without looking into the option. First, this is the exothermic. And as we know, for exothermic, lower temperature is favorable. Lower temperature. Another thing, there is a decrease in the moles. Reactant moles total 4 moles, while the products are having only 2 moles. So there is a decrease. So it simply means decrease in moles means higher pressure will be favorable to carry out forward reaction. Now let's look into this question, what they are asking. Optimum conditions of temperature and pressure are chosen as a compromise between these that favor a higher yield of ammonia and those that favor the faster rate of production. What does it mean? So they are saying that if we increase the temperature, we know very well that if we increase the temperature, being an exothermic, Le Chatelier principle will ensure that this is not favorable, the forward reaction. But we know by increasing the temperature for any reaction, the rate of reaction will be higher. That means the reaction will proceed in a faster way. Okay, the rate of ammonia production will be higher. Rate. It doesn't mean the quantity. Please understand there is a difference. Yield means how much is the quantity and what is the rate at that quantity which is getting produced, at what rate it is getting produced. Okay, so that is what we are doing. So now let's look into this correct statement. A higher temperature would ensure higher yield and a faster rate. Okay, higher temperature would never ensure higher yield. As a matter of fact, it will be a lower yield. So that means statement A is not correct. A lower pressure would mean higher yield at a lower cost. Okay, lower pressure means higher yield. No way, because there is a decrease in the moles and we have seen higher pressure is favorable. So this is not correct. A lower temperature would ensure a higher yield at the faster rate. Again, lower the temperature, the rate has to be dropped. It will be the lower one. Okay, so this is also not correct. Let's look into the last option, D. Higher pressure would ensure higher yield. Yes, that is correct. And at a higher cost. That means there is a compromise. Why higher cost? Because if we talk about a higher pressure, we need, for compressing those gases, we need a better, higher efficiency compressor, which is going to cost you more. But still, that is a sacrifice. Okay, we are going to make for getting higher yield. So this statement is perfect. Last option D is correct. Hope it is quite clear to you. And if you are interested in looking into similar kind of interesting questions, please do visit our website, leadib.com. The link has been provided in the description. Thank you.